Does it feel like you're waking up tired even after 8 hours of sleep? You're losing hair on your brush, your mood is swinging, and despite Garkakana, the weight just won't budge. You're not alone. Over 42 million Indians suffer from thyroid issues, and for many, their breakfast is making it worse, silently sabotaging their metabolism. In our Indian households, breakfast is usually carb-heavy. These raw goitrogens and refined starches are silently slowing down your thyroid, leaving you bloated, foggy, and frustrated by mid-morning. Today, we are fixing your morning. This isn't just a diet, it's an evidence-based roadmap to reignite your Agni, or digestive fire. Let's look at 5 delicious thyroid-safe Indian breakfasts that work with your metabolism. Let's look at the hidden breakfast trap that is sabotaging your thyroid issues. Let's expose the first trap. Goitrogens. In Indian homes, we're often told, raw is best, so we eat raw cabbage in salads or stuff raw radish directly into our parathas. But in their raw state, these vegetables literally choke your thyroid's ability to absorb iodine, the fuel it needs to keep your metabolism running. Here is the relief. You don't have to quit these. Heat acts like a filter. For those with hypothyroidism, large raw portions of cabbage, cauliflower, radish, mooli, and broccoli can slow your metabolism. But simply steaming or sautéing them for 2 minutes destroys 90% of those thyroid-choking compounds. So instead of raw salads or raw mooli stuffing, just cook them, and they become metabolic, yes. Then there's our non-negotiable ritual. Strong tea on an empty stomach. This triggers a cortisol spike that blocks thyroid hormone conversion. The fix? Never have it first thing. Have your tea 30 to 60 minutes after breakfast, and always pair it with 2 to 3 soaked almonds to buffer the caffeine hit. This protects your thyroid from the stress spike. Finally, we need to talk about the hidden saboteurs. It's not just soya milk or soy chunks. If you look at the back of your high-protein, muesli, your health drink powders, or even those packaged juices, you'll find hidden soy in the form of lecithin or protein isolates. These processed health products are often the very thing blocking your thyroid hormones and keeping you stuck in a cycle of weight gain and brain fog. If it comes in a box with a long shelf life, it's likely slowing your metabolism down. It's time to return to real, whole food breakfasts. I know this feels like a lot to remember. That's why at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my master thyroid traffic light, a simple color-coded guide you can screenshot for your kitchen. But first, let's look at the science of the dream team, nutrients your thyroid is starving for. To restart a slow metabolism, your thyroid needs a dream team. Think of iodine as the key that starts the engine, and selenium as the oil that keeps it turning. If you have iodine but no selenium, your hormones stay stuck and inactive. This is why you feel cold and tired even if your reports look normal. You don't need expensive foreign pills. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts a day is more than enough. Don't eat more, as too much selenium can be toxic. If you don't have Brazil nuts, use 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds, till. Always lightly dry roast the till to remove anti-nutrients and make the minerals easier for your body to absorb. For iodine, use iodized salt, but here is the secret. Add it at the end of cooking or once the gas is off, as heat can destroy iodine. Remember these 3 rules. 1. Only 2 Brazil nuts max. 2. Roast your seeds. 3. Add salt to last. These small changes ensure you get nutrients without side effects. Let's move to the 3 pre-breakfast reset to follow every day. Your thyroid-supporting ritual starts the moment you wake. Before anything else, sip a glass of warm water. This Ayurvedic practice, Ushapan, gently rehydrates your body, flushes toxins, and prepares your digestive system. Your next ritual starts 30 minutes before breakfast. Soak 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon cumin overnight. Drink this water first thing. In Ayurveda, Dhania is a powerful anti-inflammatory for the thyroid, and Jeera ignites your Agni to digest your breakfast better. Finally, 10 minutes of gentle movement. Poses like cat-cow pose and gentle neck rotations, or Ujjayi breathing. This isn't just exercise, it's about increasing blood flow specifically to the thyroid gland, waking it up for the day. Now moving to our next segment, the 5 thyroid-friendly breakfast recipes to try. First, our selenium-rich sprout salad. Use 1/2 cup green moong, 1/4 cup matki, and 1/4 cup black chana. Soak your mix for 12 hours. Pressure cook the chana and matki, then steam the moong for 5 minutes. This removes anti-nutrients and makes the protein much easier for your thyroid to digest. Add half a cup of chopped cucumber, onion and tomatoes. Pro tip: if you have Hashimoto's, peel your cucumber and remove the tomato seeds. For the dressing, mix 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or cold-pressed sesame oil. Add fresh ginger juice, lemon, and crushed mint. This combination helps your gut absorb nutrients. Season with rock salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. Toss everything with roasted cumin and black salt. Finally, the magic touch: grate 1 Brazil nut or roasted black sesame seeds directly over the bowl. These contains your entire daily requirement of selenium. Garnish with pomegranate seeds and coriander. This is a high-fiber, high-selenium breakfast that keeps your energy stable without the midday thyroid crash. Serve immediately while fresh. For our second recipe, it's coconut creamy foxtail pongal. Start by mixing half a cup of foxtail millet with 1/4 cup yellow moong dal. Wash them thoroughly until the water runs clear, then soak them together for at least 4 to 6 hours. This step is essential to ensure they cook evenly and are easy on your stomach. In a pressure cooker, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and a generous inch of grated ginger. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Drain the soaking water and add the millet and dal into the cooker. Pour in 3 cups of fresh water. Close the lid and pressure cook on a medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles until everything is soft and completely mashable. Once the pressure settles, open the lid and give it a gentle stir. Pour in half a cup of thick, fresh coconut milk. Now the gold rule: turn off the heat before adding salt to save the iodine. Stir it well until it becomes creamy and rich. Top it with fresh curry leaves or roasted cashews. This pongal works because the moong dal provides the protein you need. The coconut milk gives your cells instant energy without dairy, and foxtail millet keeps your blood sugar stable, making it the ultimate healing breakfast. For the third recipe is metabolic kulthi dosa. We're using the classic 2-to-1 ratio, 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of kulthi dal. While rice is a safe, gluten-free energy source, swapping urad for kulthi. Kulthi is warming, helping to ignite a slow metabolism. Grind the soaked rice and dal with half a cup of grated beetroot and a teaspoon of methi seeds and ginger. Ferment the batter for 8 to 10 hours. Fermentation is a superpower for thyroid health. It increases vitamin B12 and creates natural probiotics. Use cast iron tower, pour half a teaspoon oil, spread the batter on tower and drizzle some sesame oil. This dosa is crispy, familiar and deeply nourishing. A traditional breakfast with the medicinal benefits of kulthi and beetroot. Truly a complete meal. Next is our gut-healing sourdough sandwich. Authentic sourdough bread is fermented for 24 hours, which makes it a better option than a normal white bread or brown or multigrain bread. Lightly toast 2 slices with a drop of oil to keep it crisp. Instead of processed mayo, we're making metabolic pesto. Blend fresh mint, coriander, 2-3 walnut sesame seeds, garlic and lemon juice. For the filling, heat oil and saute onions and garlic until fragrant. Add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. Mushrooms are selenium goldmine. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are beautifully browned and caramelized. Add your baby spinach and cook for just a minute until wilted. Put the heat off and add salt to taste. Spread your pesto on the sourdough. Layer the filling and add cheese. Grill it on a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Using a cast iron tower even adds a tiny bit of dietary iron to your meal. This sandwich works because it treats your gut with respect. The fermented bread and liver-supporting pesto ensure your hormones are processed efficiently, keeping your energy high all afternoon. For those busy mornings, our no-cook chia coconut pudding is a lifesaver. Pour 1 cup of fresh coconut milk into a jar and add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Whisk them well to ensure no clumps form. Add a pinch of cardamom powder for flavor. Close the lid and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or leave it in the fridge overnight. Before serving, add the magic touch: 2 chopped Brazil nuts for your daily selenium, and a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds for zinc. Drizzle honey for sweetness. You can top it with fruits, like some berries, bananas and apples. This pudding works because it's loaded with omega-3s to reduce gland inflammation and MCTs from coconut to fight the dreaded thyroid brain fog. It's the perfect grab-and-go healing breakfast. Now, you have the recipes to fuel your body. But even the best food can't work if your timing and environment are off. These next 5 golden rules are the non-negotiables. Rule number 1. Respect the 60-minute gap. Never eat these breakfasts immediately after your thyroid medication. Keep a gap of 1 hour between your medications and breakfast. Rule number 2. Always opt for warm cooked meals. Warmth preserves your digestive energy and supports thyroid hormones. Rule number 3. Use iodized salt, but always add it after cooking is done. Heat off to keep the iodine active. Rule number 4. Switch from aluminium/Teflon to cast iron, loha, or stainless steel. Cast iron naturally boosts the iron content of your dosa and chilla. To make your life easier, I've clubbed every common Indian food item into a simple traffic light system. Green means go, yellow means proceed with caution and proper cooking, and red means stop, especially if you want to protect your metabolism. Pause the video right now and take a screenshot of this list. This is your new grocery shopping guide. Healing your thyroid isn't about restriction, it's about choosing the right fuel. You've seen the traps, you've learned the science, and now you have the recipes to restart your metabolic engine. The tired morning version of you doesn't have to be your permanent reality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.